In this video, we are going to see how we can find our Roblox user ID that is unique for every single account. That is, even if you change your username, your Roblox account user ID doesn't change. So if you want to find it on your computer, here's how you can easily do it. Unfortunately, you cannot do it on the application. You have to log in into the browser. So what we'll do is we will head over to the browser and write here roblox.com. Once you sign in with your ID, and after that, we click on our username that's shown right here with our avatar. And once we are in here, in the URL next to users, here is our unique user ID that is unique for our account only. And what we do is we copy that, and let's say we want to share it with anyone, and wherever we want to use, this is how you can get your unique user ID on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.